Hi friends, so now we are back and I will do a detailed review of Apple Watch. Apologies for my live video last time wherein I tried, but unfortunately the net connection was really poor over there in the Apple store and the video was not of that great quality. In fact, it lagged so many things. So apologies again for that, and now I will do a detailed review. I'm sitting home. Actually, I was traveling for 2 days and that is one of the reasons I was not able to come back to you guys in a sooner time frame. But anyways, let's get started. So here I have the box for the Apple Watch Series 4. Now you can see that they have actually changed the branding, the sort of packaging, so this entire piece looks complete white. So here they have embraced this Apple Watch logo, and if you look at the back, also the packaging they have changed. So I've removed the top polythene on this particular watch box, but you can see this. So this is how they are packed. They have packed it very good, I would say. Also, when I will unbox this, you will see there is a huge difference how they have been packaging this. You see some details here at the back side. So this says that this is a 44mm Apple Watch Series 4 space gray colored watch, and this comes with a space gray band as well. That's a sport band. Now you can see here it says LTE and GPS both. This is an India manufacturing box for India. So obviously you get the prices in INR as well. This costed me at 52,900 INR in India. A bit expensive, and if you compare it to the previous versions, what Apple has been pronouncing so far, now this is way costlier than that, almost 1.8 times costlier, I would say. So earlier the prices of Apple Watches in India were around 35k, but this time this is gone way beyond, and it is for 53,000 almost INR. Anyways, so I will quickly unbox this, take out all the content, set up the Apple Watch, and then we'll show you how it works. So yeah, let's see that. Guys, I have set up the Apple Watch as well, but I would like to show you the packaging again. When you actually open it, so these are the two boxes which you see. One is the strap, the sports band in this one, and here in this box you have the watch, the adapter, cable, as well as some paperwork. Anyways, I'm really curious to show you guys this packaging wherein these two boxes come inside this particular wrapping, and you can see very beautifully crafted. You can see different color Apple Watches, different straps, and that is a good branding. I think this is how the cost is coming in, to be honest, but just kidding. I'll show you guys something else as well now. So I'll keep it aside. Now when you open this box, so in this casing, in this leather casing, you receive the Apple Watch and the straps are here. I have already taken it out, as I said, so I'll show you. I have already set it up as well. Here you get this paperwork inside this, some regulatory information related to Apple Watch. So this is it. I'll keep these things aside now. In this you have the straps. I have already taken out, but I can just show you. Okay. So, okay. Apple Watch logo. And this is the extra strap which you can see here. There were the main straps here which I have already used, and I've set up the Apple Watch. And here you see some information how to put in the strap and everything. So cool. I think they have invested a lot in packaging this year. But anyways, here is the adapter, the normal adapter which we were receiving earlier as well. So this is the adapter and this is the cable. Simply you can plug in, and this goes at the back of your Apple Watch for charging. Pretty much normal stuff. Now it's the time for the Apple Watch. So this is the Apple Watch. Well, I'm using it with some enterprise settings. I have my organizations profile in my iPhone. That is why I can unlock it. So I only have to wear it and unlock it with my phone. Then only it unlocks. But I'll show you guys. This is the new infogram face as well of the watch. Very cool. I'm really liking it because I have customized a lot of compositions here. This is the Apple Watch strap. The watch is pretty thin as well, and you can see that the back is entire ceramic back this time, And also what they have done is they have removed the, earlier what used to happen was at the same side, the left side of the watch, they were offering the microphone and the speaker both. So that was causing a lot of echo when you were calling someone or receiving the calls. But this time what has happened, they have given the speaker here and the microphone at this side. Also you can notice that this round, which is around the digital crown, is not entirely red. It's just one circle of red, and the other thing is exactly of the color of the watch, that is black here. This is a digital crown. This is the normal power button, and this crown this time is very haptic. So the haptic feature is very pronounced here. Now let me quickly wear the watch, unlock it with the iPhone, and then show you guys. Okay, so I put it in, use my iPhone XS Max to unlock it, and yeah, pretty much it. Yes, that gets unlocked. So okay, now this is it. So when you actually see it here, you can see all the faces, the different compositions. So basically what I've used here is the air quality index. Now in Pune it's too pathetic these days, it's very highly unhealthy here. Then you have this temperature thing here. So the weather forecast, the minimum was 22 and the maximum was 35, and currently 26 degrees is the weather right now. The date is here. This is the percentage of battery left. Now you have this breathe application as well, and here I have used LifeSim for tracking my meals and everything. This is the health app which I have used, and here I see the activity rings. Also around the screen you can see that this is the meetings which is coming up. So basically if I have any meeting set up, it will show it over here. Right now you can see the next meeting which I have on my calendar is for my lunch. So this says 12:30 lunch cafeteria. This is very cool. Now the watch has gone way thinner this time. So this is pretty thin. Also they have used S4 processor. This is a 64-bit S4 processor, which is 2 times faster than the S3 processor which they were offering in the Series 3 watch. And in fact, when you use it, this really is, visible over there that, yeah, the processing time is way less here. Also, there are many things which have come up new. So now you see the fall detection feature here in the Apple Watch. So basically, if you fall down and if you do not come up on your feet in the next 1 minute, it uses the EOS feature and calls your emergency contact, let them know that you are not doing great and you are in trouble, you fall down. So it shares your location, if that is on, with the EOS contact and tells them with an alert that you have fallen down. Well, this is a feature we reckon that you do not have to use, but just to know that it's there if you need it. Basically how it really works is they have improved the gyrometer and the accelerometer, and that is how this feature was possible for Apple. Also, a lot of hardware changes have gone in the back end to get this thing on the watch. Now another feature is the main thing which anyone can see. The screen is more vibrant and more colorful. If you go inside, these are pretty cool colors. In fact, way more popping out. I really liked it if you are using any app. And another noticeable thing which is there on the Apple Watch Series 4 watches are the size differences. So earlier Apple Watch used to come in 38mm size and 42mm. But now it's coming in 40 and 44. Basically they have improved the sizes. They have enlarged it by 2mm on both the variants. This is also end-to-end. So basically how they have achieved this size enlargement is by reducing the bezel size, what they have been doing on the iPhones as well. Now this time also the heart rates and the workout things have also improved on the Apple Watch. So now more accurate readings would be there when it comes to your heart resting rate or maybe active heart rate, and even when you are doing your workouts, it is more pronounced. So the readings are more accurate. This is what Apple claim. Another thing is now you can take an ECG. So basically there are electrons, and they start running in with the closed loop. And now on the Apple Watch Series 4, for the very first time on an Apple device, you can take a live ECG. This is a very cool feature, and it really records it in your health app, so you can use it for future when you're consulting any doctor. There are a couple of more health advantages which you can really monitor on these Apple Watches, and this is really cool. Well, the price difference is too much. Also, what you have noticed is this walkie-talkie thing is there on the Apple Watch as well. So if you go here, it's there. Okay, here it is. So this is walkie-talkie. Well, I do not have any of my friends using the Apple Watch Series 4 till now. So I have not invited anyone, but you can just click on this plus button and then you can go to your contacts and add any of your contacts who are using this Apple Watch Series 4, and you can talk to them in real time using this walkie-talkie feature. A very cool feature, I really liked it. Apart from that, I would say there is a huge difference in the price. I got it on the launch date, that is on 19th of October 2018. Basically, that was the day when it was launched in India. I did my live streaming as well, but as I said in the beginning of this video, that the net quality was really poor and I was not able to make a proper video, so that is why I'm doing it now here with you guys. Just on last words, wherein this is a cellular model, so cellular model is only supported in India by Gyro and Airtel, so you have to be either of these carriers and then only you can use it. If you do not have these carriers on your mobile, you cannot use it. Basically how it works is that you use the SIM plan, the same existing data plan which you have on your mobile, and the same plan is shared with your watch as well. Also, as there is an update required for your iPhone wherein you can use dual SIM functionality, that is also there on the Apple Watch, which that is on the iPhone, that is waiting an update from Apple, and then only that feature would be enabled. Now it would be interesting to see how this dual SIM thing works on the iPhone and how those calls and messages are routed through your Apple Watch. So that is something which is related to your iPhone, but I just wanted to let you guys know because it would be really interesting. I'm looking forward to see how it really works with the Apple Watch. So guys, that is all for now. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it with your friends. If you have any comments, let me know about the video, about the product. I'm looking forward to hear from you guys. How many of you are going to buy this Apple Watch Series 4? Also, if you have any questions around this Apple Watch Series 4, let me know. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.